Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly clean up your chainsaw and get it back into working order. For each problem, we'll provide a link in the description below to a video that will walk you through the cleanup process. Now let's get started. Step number 1, spark plug. Place your chainsaw upright on a flat surface. Remove the spark plug from its socket. Inspect the spark plug for very stubborn deposits, cracked porcelain, or electrodes that have been burned away. Clean or replace it. Step number 2, air filter. Remove the air filter cover and then the air filter itself. Clean the filter with a wire brush and then use compressed air to remove any leftover debris. Step number 3, carburetor. Remove the carburetor and give it a thorough cleaning. Inspect it for signs of damage or wear. Replace any worn components if necessary and reinstall. Step number 4, fuel filter. If your chainsaw hasn't been used in more than 3 months, drain the fuel. Remove the fuel filter from the gas tank and inspect for damage or clogging. Clean and reinsert into the gas tank. Step number 5, spark arrestor. To access this component, you'll need to remove the muffler cover. Pull out the spark arrestor from behind the muffler. Use a toothbrush to remove any deposits. Reassemble. Step number 6, guide bar. Use a wrench to remove the nuts that hold the guide bar to the body of the chainsaw. Loosen the tensioning screw to allow slack in the chain and then remove it. Clean the oil inlet hole on the guide bar and the oil way on the engine housing. Step number 7, the chain. Keeping the chain clean will help ensure the chainsaw is running smooth and will also reduce jumps or kickbacks. Remove the chain and soak it in soapy water. Use a bristle brush and gently scrub the entire chain clean. Rinse and dry it immediately to avoid any rust. It will now need to be oiled. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our full repair videos in the description below for each of these problems, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.